Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. That's good. Mm-hmm. So good, y'all. Hot sauce and honey on your chicken? Yeah. Mm-hmm. It's good. Let's see what the potato salad tastes like. Mmm. Potato salad good too. So who make the best potato salad in your family? Mmm. 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 Good. Good meal to have on a Sunday. Chicken and potato salad. Mmm. Mmm. That's good. I think this is the first time I ate bread today. I try not to eat a lot of bread. So if I eat bread in the morning, I won't eat bread for dinner. Mm-mm. So, mmm. But I do love these Hawaiian rolls. They're very good. Mmm. Well, everybody getting ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow, Monday. Slowest day of the week. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Not much to talk about, y'all. I just want to eat. Mm. Mm-hmm. The coleslaw good. Mm. Mm. Coleslaw good. Mm. Hmm. Monday. Today's Sunday. Mm-hmm. Let's see what I do today. Mm. I slept till noon. No, it wasn't noon. It was 1 o'clock when I woke up. I drink my sleep on. And my body is tired. Sometimes your body lets you know when you need that rest. So yeah, I got my rest. And then I went on, got up and everything, went over to the grocery store. Mm. I'm walking around in the grocery store. I hardly see anybody with a mask on. I'm like, I was going through the aisles like I'm playing musical chairs. I'm telling you. Mm-mm. Yeah. I see somebody with a mask. I'll skip on over to the next aisle. 'Cause that ain't working with me. Mm-mm. Mm. Yeah, so I'm like, do they know something I don't know? Why so many people not wearing a mask? I'm like, okay. And then on my drive, I drive back home. Mm, right down the street from where I live, I see a bunch of people protesting about mask mandate. About, mm, that's not freedom, forcing people to wear masks. I'm like, people, it's for your protection. You still got your freedom. You still got a choice whether you want to or not. Not like nobody gonna knock on your door and force you to wear one. So yeah, they down here protesting about the mask. Why protest about masks? Let's protest about something else that we don't need to be protested about. Protest about high prices in the grocery stores. Yeah, the food it's getting high. The prices going up and up. Mm-hmm. Yeah. They're complaining. Protest about them high prices what they got going on in these stores. It's not just the grocery stores, it's everywhere else too. Gas prices going up. Mmm. See, I put that hot sauce and honey. Mmm. Mmm. Got a taste. Mmm. 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 Try it. It's good. Mmm. 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 Hot sauce and honey. I'm having hungry because all I ate this morning was some cereal. Mm-hmm. Yeah, cereal go right through you too. You just eat the cereal. Ooh, I can't put too much hot sauce. This stuff is hot. I need some water though. I gotta have my coldest water. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mmm. That's good. Mm. 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 Ooh, that's a good combination on the chicken, y'all. Hot sauce and honey. Mm. 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 That's tasty. That is good, y'all. Mm. Ooh. Ooh. Lord Jesus, I better eat some bread. Mm-hmm. Mm, bread is good. My goodness. Mm. Man, I don't know what it is, but it's more Chinese restaurants than there is soul food restaurants. Okay. And girl, been looking for some ribs and can't find no soul food restaurant, but all I see is Chinese and Mexican. Oh, my people, where you at? Girl wants some soul food. Okay? Yeah. I know they got Dickies out here, but it's so far away. Don't feel like driving that far. Chinese restaurants everywhere. Mm. Hmm. Yeah, but I want some green potatoes, the ribs. Mm-hmm. Well, tonight I'm eating my potato salad. That's good. And my fried chicken. Mm. Well, who like the crispy fried chicken? I like my chicken crispy. I'm about that crispy chicken, y'all. Mm. Mm. I don't know what piece is there. Look at that big piece of chicken right here. Mm. Mm. Smackalicious, y'all. Smackalicious. Well, I don't know how long it's been. I haven't had no seafood. I want to say about 2 weeks, maybe. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Let me some seafood, y'all. I think I just want to go get me some catfish. Just fry some catfish. You don't have to be crab legs all the time. You can fry some fish. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. This fish is hard to find. I'll be wanting some red snapper. I love red snapper fish, but it's just too hard to find. A lot of grocery stores don't have it. So I know I need to look for a fresh meat market. But in the grocery stores, ooh, they don't be having a lot no more. What was that? Mmm, hot sauce hot. And yeah, name of that hot sauce, Red Hot, is Frank's Red Hot. Pretty hot. Mmm, fried chicken. Mmm, mmm, mmm. I'm about full already. Mmm. Yes, I went over to Winco. They got Winco just about everywhere. And they got this deli in there where they fry up chicken. Mmm. Went over and got me a good chicken dinner. I don't feel like doing no cooking, so I didn't go to Winco. Mmm. Mmm. They gonna put Popeyes out of business. Winco chicken's pretty good. Oh wow, it's been a while since I'm gonna go over to Popeyes at least on Wednesday, but it's been a long time since I've been over to Popeyes. Mm-hmm. No, they prices is going up. I'll be looking for the crispy chicken. Even KFC got crispy. Mm-hmm. KFC pretty good too. Mm. Mm. Those are good. Till he got full off that bread. We only had what, two pieces of chicken? Love that chicken. Something about that chicken. So good. Mm. Ooh, so we rolling into the month of what, September? And that was quick. March. September 1st is like Wednesday. Mm-hmm. Ain't figured it out yet, but I will. Why so many people just don't want to wear no mask? Maybe they don't believe this virus is real. Well, you know how it is. Some people got to find things out on their own. Sad to say, but yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm. I'm loving that coleslaw. I feel good. So, Labor Day coming up. I don't even when is Labor Day. I know it's in September. Is it the beginning? No, I think Labor Day falls at the end of September. All the holidays is another day to cook up a whole lot of food. Yeah. That's what people do on holidays. They just want to cook, 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 cook. Mm, mm. Oh, that's good. Mm. Household honey. That's pretty good. This heat be having you thirsty though. Mm. Mm. Nothing like good ice cold water. Mm. Mm. This coleslaw. That's what I'm doing. Mm. Mm. I haven't read it. Yeah, I had me some fruit earlier. Lunchtime I ate me some grapes. I had some grapes at lunchtime. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. I eat all this coleslaw. I ain't hardly eat much of this potato salad. It was okay. Mm. Mm. Chicken. Mm. 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 Chicken good. Mm. I got had enough. Yeah, I got some full. Mm. Oh, love that water. Mm. 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 Well, that's it for me, y'all. Got full. Or chicken with hot sauce and honey. Now you gotta try that. That's good. Mm. Hmm. So, I hope you enjoyed your Sunday dinner. Hope you enjoyed the rest of your evening. Oh, yeah, 'cause now I'm full. Ugh, and I'm getting kind of sleepy. It's the food, y'all. It's the food. Yeah, some food you eat just make you sleepy. How you feeling sleepy? Mm-hmm. But yeah, that food is good. So, I just want to thank you all for watching. Enjoy the rest of your evening, you guys. Okay, stay safe. Take care. All right, talk to you soon. Okay, goodbye.